Let's walk through creating a discussion in Slingshot. So within my email marketing project that lives within my marketing workspace, we have things like your newsletters, your nurtures, your product releases, promotional campaigns, and ongoing campaigns that we're tracking here. If I come to the discussion tab, I have different discussions that have already been created around audience segmentation or data compliance and a ton of different things. But for the purpose of this, let's actually create a new one. So I'm going to create a discussion for the November newsletter. And when I create that, I can select if I want to notify specific people or notify the entire project. Now, notifying somebody does not mean that they cannot come and see it. It just means that you are basically subscribing them, giving them a notification that this has been created. Everybody that is on either your workspace or your project will have access to come in and see the conversation and then collaborate in here, but they will not be notified on it. So I'm going to create one and notify the whole marketing project. I'll click create. I'm going to put my message in. And you have different options in your toolbar where you can do some nice different formatting, and you can highlight these. You can just see some quick examples in here. And then I'm going to send it. So I've created now this discussion for everybody on the email marketing project to now come in and collaborate with me right from here.